Okay, so we just got done talking about the different parts of the circle, and remember when we looked at the radius and the diameter, and we talked about the relationship between the two. If you remember, when we talked about the radius, we said, notice it is half of the diameter, because it is only going from the center to the outer edge, where the diameter goes from one point to the other through the center. So, So if the radius is half of the diameter, then that means the diameter can be 2 times the radius. So if we are given the radius, we can solve for the diameter by multiplying it by 2 since it's double the size. Or if we're given the diameter, we can find the radius by dividing by 2. So here we have some examples of solving for radius. So here they tell us that the diameter, the whole length of the circle, is 14. So if the diameter is 14, then we can divide 14 by 2 to get the radius of 7, meaning that the point from the center of the circle to the outer edge of the circle would just be 7, half of the diameter. I did another example here. You're given the diameter of 8. To find the radius, we divide 8 by 2 to find the radius of 4. So if I drew the radius on the circle, from there to there would be 4. And on this one, our radius from here to here would be 7. Obviously, these aren't drawn to scale. This one would be bigger since it has a bigger diameter. So then solving for the diameter. This time they give us the radius, so the distance from the center to the outer edge of the circle is 12. So if we double that radius, meaning it goes from here and here, so if we do the radius times 2, you get 24, meaning that the whole length of the circle from one endpoint to the other going through the center would be 24. Then we have another example. The radius that they give us is 15. So if I do 2 times 15, you get 30, meaning the whole length from one point of the circle to the other, going through the center, is 30. Easy as that.